welcome back to Cooking with Ali, and as you can tell, we're in a new location. Today I'm going to show you how to make carbonara pasta. Let's go. Yo! First thing you want to do is take your salt, and you're going to boil about 6 quarts of water, however much fits spaghetti, and then you're going to take 3 tablespoons of salt, and you're going to pour it in there. About that much. While you're waiting for your water to boil, make sure that you have 2 ounces of Parmesan cheese off to the side. Grated is preferred. Next step you want to do is cut your bacon into small sized pieces. About 4 slices would do. Next thing you want to do is just hit it with a dash of pepper. I'm sorry, excuse me. Peel. In a separate bowl, you're going to whisk together 2 eggs and 4 yolks. Egg yolks. After you finish whisking, you're going to pour in your grated Parmesan cheese. And several dashes of black pepper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you're gonna whisk it together. Once your bacon is done cooking, should have took about around 7 to 10 minutes. You're gonna scoop it out and you're gonna put it into a bowl. After you scoop it out and put it into a bowl, you're going to take out the rest of the fat and you're going to put it in a heatproof measuring cup. Now, the moment y'all all been waiting for it, cooking the pasta. So you're gonna put about 1 pound of spaghetti in here. And you're gonna cook it just 2 minutes shy of what it says on the box. Once you get done cooking, you're gonna scoop out 1/3 of a cup of the water. If I can grab the spaghetti. In the same pan that you had your bacon fat, you're going to pour the boiling water in. Once you do that, you're going to drink your pasta. After you drink the pasta, you take your pasta and you're going to pour it in the same area with the bacon fat, boiling water, and you're going to stir it until it's al dente. You know what happens when you forget you need the rest of your pasta water to compromise? Take some pasta water, pour 1/4 of it into your eggs and mozzarella, Parmesan cheese mixture. Once your mixture is done, you're going to pour it into the bowl slowly until the cheese is melted. And it's not solid. The last thing you're going to do is mix in your bacon. Bacon. This look good. I say I tried it. Yep, I said this is something I definitely make more of. You know what'll go better with this? Salmon on the side. That's what I need to make for my next video. Well, before I go, y'all must be wondering why I was gone for so long. Well, I sort of kind of had this thing called a concussion. If you don't know what a concussion is, basically, I knocked my head silly. I lost my memory for a little bit, and I forgot all about cooking. It took me some time to get back into this cooking, so I'm finally glad I'm back, and I'm doing this again, hopefully every Friday, if not every Wednesday and Friday. If you like this video and want more videos like this, make sure you like and subscribe, and leave a comment down below what I should cook next. Till then, I'll see you next time.